Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications on your Doogee X100, for the first you have to go for the settings, then tap on the apps and notifications, scroll down. Oh, it was the misclick. We have to scroll down. The screen is not so responsive, so you have to be careful of the missing touches. Let's go for the notifications, and here, for example, we can deactivate the notification dots, and we can also enter the notifications for the all application. And here, if you, for example, want to turn off a notification for this application, you have to enter and then just click here, and the notifications are turned off. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.